So, namaste. Today is fifth day of 7 days of manifestation. I will 7 days of manifestation. If you remember, day one, decide what to manifest. I'm repeating so that you can remember what to manifest. Day two, visualization. Day three, affirmations. Day four, inspired action. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. When you are taking inspired action, I told you what universe is guiding you. Now, suppose whatever you have decided to manifest, you have visualized, you have affirmation, you have done affirmations, you are practicing affirmations. So when you are connecting with the higher source, basically when we raise our vibration, we are connecting with the higher source. The higher source uh, guidance is through your intuitions. Through when you send the intention, universe guide you through the intuition, right? So whatever you are getting, the guideline to take action, you are taking action without manipulation, means without asking anyone, without taking anyone's suggestion, because it's your dream. Now two things will happen when you are taking inspired action. Either you are getting success or failure. Only two things can come. Or either you earn or learn. That means if universe understand whatever you have demanded to the universe for manifestation, if you're not came up to that level, if you're not came up to that level, universe will guide you, universe will give challenges to bring you up to that level to handle that what you ask. Now suppose you are asking, a kid is asking a bike, he should ride immediately, cannot be provided bike because he is not knowing the driving. So when you are demanding a drive the vehicle, universe will not give you immediately the vehicle, because as per universe you will not learn that driving, or you may fall down, or you may go for the accidents. So universe will give you situation where you will learn the driving. So you will learn. Now suppose a student is appearing exam, is getting less mark in a subject, that is not showing universe. Suppose you have demanded a universe, okay, I want to come topper, but your exam you are less scoring less marks. That means universe is guiding you by giving that, okay, this subject or this subject you need to put more effort, and by routinely you have to put more effort than what you are putting, then only you are going to become that topper. That's the way. That means suppose you are asking for a job, you have asked for, okay, I want to become a boss of something. Now you are not qualified for that. So universe will create a situation, you need to be qualified. Now suppose you want to become a IT engineer, but you are electronics engineer or you are electrical engineer, you want to go IT, you need to go for a course where you are going to make your skills up. So universe will create a situation, whatever. Universe will never say no what you are manifesting. Remember, when you are raising your vibration and when you are going through all the gone through this all the procedures should have given, universe cannot refuse you, like your mother father cannot refuse you. Universe is giving you. But that when challenge is coming, it is giving to raise your skill for that particular things which you are asked. That's the way. So inspired action, when you are taking a inspired action without consultation with anyone outside that your intuition, this will let you know either if you are already universe knows you are already skilled, like you are IT professional, you are appearing for IT, they know that yes, you are qualified for this, immediately get the job. But you are electrical engineer or electronics engineer appearing for the IT, you need to be qualified for that particular things to make your skill up to match that the job. The same way, universe also, when you demand something, will give you a challenges to match up to that frequency, match up to that level to enjoy what you have asked for that. Or if you're qualified, already you have skill, it will give you immediately. So when you say it is taking time, my law of attraction is happening, not happening. Yes, it is happening. The challenge has been given to make you raise up your skill set. The challenge you have not got, that means you are already in that position, you got it. Enjoyed. So that is what is the inspire action, magic of inspire action. Now, day fifth, today's topic is give back. Here we are much lacking. Give back. What is? There is a saying, what comes around goes around. You will, whatever you have earned, it should give back. Now, here comes the expenditure, how you do expenditure. You have earned, your universe is given. Now, where you are spending, a lot of people spend in wrong way, wrong energy. Where you got that money, decide where to spend. Is it adding a value to someone's life? That is the right way of expenditure. Even a father earns, spends money for the family, spends money for the parents' health. It's a that money is used to add a value to someone's life. So remember the spending. Give back means you are giving it back the right way. The way you have asked, the money you are suppose you are you say you are doing saving. Yes, that is also adding value when you are saving this. This is somewhere it is going to the countries, somewhere it is adding to the infrastructure, somewhere it is going. So keep that money. But when I'm taking this to liquor shop and I'm spending this money, I am spending in wrong energy. I'm not, neither I'm adding value to someone's life, nor I'm adding value to my life. It may continue for some times, but it will, as a long run, universe will understand the money I have given you, you have not utilized, henceforth I am stopping the giving. So give back is always, it is very brilliant way. You need to understand key the money I have earned, the things I have earned, whether I am spending it in the right way, whether this is adding a value to the people's life, whether it's adding value to my life, means whatever you are giving back, that should add value to the someone's life. If that is adding value to someone's life, you are going in the right direction. Remember, the money is not just a paper, just not just a paper, it's energy. It's energy. And it what it actually match with your frequency. Now the way you spend the money, it's directly connected with your subconscious. Remember, it's directly connected with your subconscious. You're spending, when you count down your spendings, when you watch your spendings where you're spending, you can understand what your subconscious is telling, which kind of frequency you have in your mind, and which kind of vibration you are vibrating. That shows that. Thank you.